We are currently living in a world guided by advances in technology. The internet has become the engine of our society, where people depend on it to work, to communicate with each other, to buy things, to be entertained. Try to spend one day without the internet and you will feel isolated and have a hard time getting anything done. According to GSMA real-time intelligence data, there are now 2.46 billion more mobile connections than people worldwide. Because of these demands, jobs in programming have become quite essential for modern life, and you can see in the news how necessary programmers have become, as well as their average salary. As a programmer, you can work in many different areas, such as software developer, data engineer, computer programmer, and web developer, for example. The goal of this new series of videos will be to unravel how is the work of a programmer in each area, and also what are the skills needed and average salaries. The focus of today is understanding web development. Let's dig into it. Web development refers to the building, creating, and maintaining of websites. It is basically the creation of an application that works over the internet. As a web developer, you can be classified into three categories: front-end developer, back-end developer, and full-stack developer. A front-end developer focuses on programming the visual elements of a website or app that a user will interact with. For example, what you're seeing right now on your screen. A back-end developer focuses on programming the server side, which can be generically said as everything you can't see, the user can see. For example, when you log into Facebook, the website needs to send your username and password to the database to check if you're giving the correct credentials. And we don't see this happening. You're only logged in, right? A full-stack developer has the knowledge to work as both front-end and back-end developers. Altogether, front-end is the part of a website that the user interacts directly with. It is also referred to as the client side of the application. Front-end developers work in languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They also work in their own sets of frameworks and libraries. Sass, Tailwind, CSS, and Bootstrap are similar to CSS. AngularJS, React.js, jQuery, and are in the family of HTML and JavaScript. The backend is the server side of a website. It is the part of the website that users cannot see and interact with directly. It is used to store and arrange data. Backend developers work in languages like PHP, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, and Node.js. They also work in their own sets of framework and libraries such as Django, Flask, Express, Spring, and others. As you can see, each type of web development has different skills required. You might be wondering, what pays more, front-end or back-end? Well, thinking about a mid-career front-end developer, it is expected to receive an average annual salary of $76,929 in the US, according to Glassdoor, while mid-career back-end developers are expected to earn an average annual salary of $101,619. If you're interested in a career as a front-end or back-end developer, don't hesitate to schedule a meeting with us. The link is in the description. We will create a personalized plan on how you can become a web developer as fast as possible with free resources, show you how our students market themselves as self-taught developers when applying for jobs, and answering any questions you might have about the career or any programming questions you might have as well. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about programming and technology, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.